first and foremost, my friend is helping me film this, so if I'm like laughing and talking to someone, it's Kim behind the camera. But anyway, welcome to my apartment. Here is like our little entryway. I'm gonna try to link everything down below furniture wise, but some pieces came with the apartment and some pieces are antique, which is what these are. But anyway, we just put this little bowl here to like put our keys, our masks when we walk in, a little mirror to like check yourself out before you leave. Okay, and then we walk in here. We're getting like tall pampas grass for that little vase thing. All right, so you walk in here and we have our coat closet, but I'll show you that in a second because that's like boring. Come on into the kitchen. So here's our kitchen. I love it because it goes with the whole theme of our apartment. We wanted black, white, and wood, and we love how it's just super open, airy, and the appliances are nice and large. So I'll open my fridge, not like there's much in here, but we just loved everything about it. Our dishwasher is super cool. It's like a pull-out dishwasher, which I love, and I loved how it had a window in here to kind of get some extra light. Okay, so showing this side of the kitchen, we just got these bar stools in. I believe we got them at like Ashley Furniture online or something. They were on crazy sale and they had a good deal, so I'll link them down below. They're like the perfect counter height. And then a lot of the stuff we have from HomeGoods, so I'm not really sure if we'll be able to link it, but we'll see. Moving on to the living room, we got this huge white couch. This is like the cloud couch, but like obviously not as expensive as the Restoration Hardware one. This one is from Home Threads. It is so comfy. It's like one huge cloud, and this is removable so that if we do have a lot of people over and we want more space to entertain, we'll just move this into that corner. So, loving the white couch. We got this new coffee table. This is from Amazon, super affordable. It's acrylic, it's really cool. We just put like our coffee table books on it, which we got off Amazon, and then our candles are from HomeGoods. Okay, moving on to this little corner. Lamp is from HomeGoods as well. Try to find like a little dupe. So next up is this chair. I get a lot of questions on this chair when I post it in my stories. I believe it's like an antique. I'm not exactly sure where it's from. My boyfriend brought this from his old apartment. I will ask him. But then I just threw on like a white pillow to kind of bring in the white from the couch over here. So like I said, we were going for like white and black with wood. Love the contrast. This like cool contraption came with the apartment. Everyone thinks it's a telescope, but it's just a really cool light. And then over here, we have our entertainment center. This is from the brand Article. I loved how it brought in the black to this side as well. And we like how it had the translucent here because it brings in the acrylic from the table. And also the translucent from the record player, which don't worry, it's gonna go up here, and we're mounting the TV this weekend, so it'll look a lot better. And then we were gonna get a bar cart, but I think it was taking up too much room, so we just put like all of our liquor and stuff in there for now. Shout out for Kimmy for bringing this to Casamigos.
Shout out to Kimmy.
She knows that's the house favorite. And then all of our candles are from HomeGoods. Cool like stick contraption came with the house, but we might put this one in the front entry hallway and then the pampas grass in here. We'll kind of see. Let's go to the back end. This mirror is also really pretty. It came with the house, but I will try to find something similar. I'm going to show you guys the coat closet just because New York City apartments don't have the most storage, so you got to show everything. So we just put our suitcases up there because like where else were we going to put them? And then it's basically like all my coats. He maybe has like 4 coats in here, but coats, whatever. The apartment came with a safe, which is really cool, which like we don't use, but like if we ever need to, we have one. And then I don't know why we have a cooler, like that's going to the garbage. Anyway, we have like all the cleaners down here, the vacuum, the paper towels, his 4 coats, my yoga mat, like random odds and ends, you know? All right, moving on to the hallway. This is like major for New York. This is like a holy grail for a New York City apartment, and I am so grateful to have one. It just makes my life that much easier that I don't have to send my laundry out, everything like that. And then this I have to link because this is just the coolest creation and it saves so much room. So for our laundry basket, we have the poppable one, and then we put our clean clothes in here, bring it to the bedroom, fold it, put away, and then when we're done, we just smush it back up and it goes right on top. So I will link that because that is like a game changer. But yeah, that's all that really fits in there. On to the side, we just have like an ironing board and like a Swiffer. I don't know, nothing exciting. This is our second bedroom, or second bathroom. It's perfect for like when guests come over, they have like a shower, and then we just keep our hamper in here to like have it close to the laundry room, so it's not all up in our room. All right, moving on to my favorite room in the apartment. This is like an office slash closet, so like a cloffice, if you will. So basically over here is kind of like the whole like closet theme. So I took the closet in here. It's like a disaster right now. It's just like, ignore that. I took the closet in here so that like I don't have to go back and forth. It has been like a dream of mine my whole life to have a bad wall. So we just got these bookcases from Ikea. They're the Billy bookcase, and this is the Ikea Hovet mirror. Great mirror, really love it. Super easy to build. We actually put them on upside down. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you know that was a big haha moment. This chair, I love this chair. This is like my YouTube filming chair, so I love how lightweight it is because I move it around and I film on it. It was from Home Depot, under 200 bucks. Great steal. This is just my garment rack. I try to keep it empty so that the light shines in, but I just hang new stuff that has arrived, so like I remember that I need to shoot it or record it, so it doesn't get like lost in that mess of a closet. Over here is kind of like the workstation. What I love so much is this L-shaped desk, and this actually came with the apartment. I was so happy, but I will link something similar. What I love is that this side's kind of like my makeup side, so I have like my makeup and all that stuff there, and then over here is just like all work, no play, so it's like, you know, the fun and then the seriousness. All these wires on here drive me nuts, and it looks so bad, I know, but I don't know what to do about it. Basically, I just plugged my laptop into this screen, and it's makes such a difference in like my work ethic and my posture. So that's what that's all about. This little thing was off Amazon. I will link it. It's great for organization, and these little sunglass holders were off Amazon, so I will link them as well. But like I said, I kind of sit here and do my makeup, so it's nice to have like my brushes there, jewelry, perfume, everything that I need to kind of like accessorize a look. So annoying. Okay, moving on to the bedroom. I will show you his closet so you believe me that he has a closet. Everyone's like, you took up all the space? But no, he has his own closet. That's actually like a good sized closet. Also, can we just note how like organized he is on like his shoes?
Yeah.
Like, not that side. But yeah, he has like all his shoes and all his stuff. So he got the master closet. And then over here we have like our dresser, where we both just have like our pajamas, stuff like that. Our bed, it was super important that we could fit a king size bed because New York City bedrooms are really small, and a lot of apartments we went to, you couldn't fit a king bed, and that was just like...
You're dark, just saying.
That's right. Okay. That was just a deal breaker for that. The nightstands and the bed frame were from All Modern, I believe. He had them in his old apartment, so good for him for having good taste. White bedding, this is all from Brooklinen, and then these pillows are from Home Goods. Love those. And then come into our bathroom. I've always wanted a bathroom like this, double vanity, especially for like a couple. It just makes our lives so much easier. And there's so much storage. We each have like our own 2 cabinets and our own medicine cabinet. Game changer. And then another game changer is to have a shower and a bath. This has just been unreal. I have yet to take a bath in there, but like, let's just pretend. Mirrors from Target, and then all the little accessories, the towels, the rug, and this basket are all from Home Goods. I want to show you something cool about our bathroom mat, because you're probably wondering like, what is that and why is it there? But it's a stone, and the whole point of it is that once you get it wet, it dries instantly so that no mold or mildew or anything grows there. So we love it because it keeps like the whole area super dry and clean. So I'm gonna do like one more little walkthrough just so you guys could see and to make sure I didn't forget anything. Also like just hit different angles so you could kind of get a feel of the layout. But we've been in here for about a month and we are obsessed. And obviously we're gonna continue to like get stuff for it, and I'll do an update because we got 2 pieces of art for behind our couch.
Nice.
And all of that jazz, but I'm out of breath. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please make sure to subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and I will see you in my next